Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing 5 surprise mini brands. If you're a new subscriber, welcome back. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So, this is the toy version. This is the toy version of 5 surprise mini brands. This is a series of 5 surprise mini brands, and the series is toy version. And let's get started. So I am going to do this. Here's the 5 surprise mini brands. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. There's a little zipping part. Let's see what I am going to get. I got a little robot. Oh my gosh. And this, and the map of all the things. This is what I got. This is a hacky set. I got a squirt gun that has so you can put water in for the summertime. I got a squirt gun. I got crayons. Yay. I got a fingerling. I love these things. I got a robot dog. Got the ultra rare
Nerf gun.
Ultra rare Nerf gun. I got a game. Okay.
Ready and roll.
What I got. I got a card. I got someone from Rugrat.
This is Ren and Stimpy.
It's Stimpy. I got person.
This is Avatar. This is Aang.
And I got a mini mart bag. to hold all the stuff. I got a hoop.
Look, did they see, honey?
I got a hula hoop.
Still can't see it.
I got a
Honey,
shimmer and shine.
hold it up. Right there. Yep. All right.
I got this.
Oh, Dora's backpack.
Okay, I'm gonna open these oranges because I can make like
Ouch.
I got
A shopping basket
shopping basket.
that you have to put together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got another thing from Shimmer and Shine. Wait, what is this? It is a what is this?
It's just a Zaracorn play park.
It's a Zaracorn play
They
park.
can't see it, sweetheart. You gotta hold it
Zaracorn
still.
play park.
All right.
I never heard of that. Look at this. I got
Washable.
some washable markers.
Okay, you got the crayons and the markers.
Join this zip. I got a unicorn fingerling. I got 2 fingerlings already. I got a bunch of balloons. Last one. I got a fingerling. I got some from Rugrats.
Another Ren and Stimpy,
Another Ren Stimpy.
which makes 2.
I got a shopping cart. I got a Ninja Turtle mask. I got SpongeBob as Kriana. Here's all the things I got. Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye.